Have you ever found yourself in a situation where a younger woman seems to be giving you a second glance, and you're left wondering what it means? Well, today, we're going to explore exactly that. We'll dive into the nuances of what it could signify when a younger woman looks your way and how you, as an older man, can respond in a respectful and attractive way. Oh, and don't miss out on my bonus tip at the end. I've saved the most important for last. 1. Confidence is key. Confidence is the silent communicator that can catch someone's attention without saying a word. But remember, there's a fine line between confidence and arrogance. So, what's the secret to striking that perfect balance? Firstly, it's all about your posture. Stand tall but relaxed. Think of it as a nonverbal handshake that says, "I'm comfortable in my own skin." This doesn't mean puffing out your chest like a peacock. It's about embodying a sense of ease and self-assurance. Next, let's talk about attitude. Confidence isn't about proving anything to anyone. It's about being at peace with who you are. This means engaging in conversations with a genuine interest, rather than trying to dominate them. It's okay to have moments of vulnerability. In fact, they can be incredibly endearing. Remember, confidence is not about never failing. It's about being okay with the fact that sometimes you will. And here's a little tip. Practice makes perfect. Try these techniques in everyday situations, not just in dating scenarios. Whether you're ordering coffee or chatting with a neighbor, practice that confident posture and attitude. Soon it'll become second nature, and you'll radiate the kind of confidence that's just irresistible. 2. Respectful engagement. This is a key element when a younger woman catches your eye. It's about starting a conversation that's as much about listening as it is about talking. How do you do this without crossing the line into being intrusive? Let's dive in. Starting a conversation should be like gently knocking on a door, not barging in. You want to show interest without overwhelming her. A simple, "Hi, I couldn't help but notice your book, outfit, or smile," can be a great icebreaker. This non-threatening approach opens the door for her to engage if she feels comfortable. Remember, the goal is to create a connection, not to impress. You take a step, and then give her space to take hers. Pay attention to her responses and body language. If she seems open and responsive, great. If not, it's crucial to gracefully step back. Engaging respectfully also means being genuinely interested in what she has to say. It's not just about waiting for your turn to speak, but about creating a dialogue where both of you can share and learn from each other. This kind of thoughtful and considerate interaction is not only charming, but creates a foundation for a meaningful connection. 3. Find common ground. This is like discovering a secret pathway to a deeper connection. It's about sharing interests and experiences that bring you closer. But how do you unearth these shared treasures in a way that's natural and engaging? The key is to start with open-ended questions that invite her to share about herself. Questions like, "What's your favorite way to spend a weekend?" Or, "Have you read any good books lately?" are great. These questions are doors opening to rooms filled with topics for further exploration. Genuine curiosity is your best friend here. You need to show a real interest in her passions and experiences. Listen to her stories, ask follow-up questions, and share relevant experiences of your own. Remember, it's not a quiz show. You don't need to have all the answers or pretend to be an expert in everything she likes. It's perfectly fine to say, "I've never heard of that. Tell me more." This honesty can be incredibly refreshing and shows that you value her input and perspective. Finding common ground is not just about discovering similarities, but also about appreciating differences. It's a dance of give and take, where both of you contribute to a conversation that's as unique as the two of you. So dive in with an open heart and a curious mind, and you might just find that common ground turns into common understanding and a meaningful connection. 4. Understand boundaries. Understanding and respecting boundaries is like navigating a map in the world of dating. It's crucial for creating a comfortable and respectful connection. But how do you read these invisible lines? Let's break it down. First, pay attention to her body language. It speaks volumes. If she's maintaining eye contact, facing towards you, or leaning in, these are usually good signs. However, if she takes a step back, crosses her arms, or looks away frequently, she's probably signaling for some space. These cues are like road signs guiding your next move. It's also about listening, not just to what is said, but to what isn't. If she's giving short answers or not engaging much in the conversation, it might be time to politely excuse yourself. Remember, it's not a rejection. It's about respecting her comfort zone. Here's a tip. Always err on the side of caution. If you're unsure about whether to proceed with a conversation or a question, it's better to hold back. Respecting boundaries isn't just about avoiding what makes her uncomfortable, It's also about showing that you value her comfort and consent above your interests. Respecting boundaries is the ultimate sign of a gentleman. It shows that you understand that good connections are built on mutual comfort and respect. So keep these tips in mind, and you'll not only come across as considerate, but also as someone who truly understands the art of modern dating. 5. Dress to impress. Dressing to impress is all about showcasing your personality in a way that's both attractive and age-appropriate. Think of your attire as a visual introduction before you even say hello. So, how do you strike the right chord? First off, choose clothes that fit well. This doesn't mean they have to be skin-tight, but they should flatter your body shape. Whether it's a tailored blazer or a well-fitting pair of jeans, the right fit can make a world of difference. It shows you care about your appearance and, by extension, about how you present yourself to others, including her. Next up, let's talk grooming. It's about more than just a quick shave or a splash of cologne. Personal grooming, like a neat haircut, trimmed nails, and a clean, fresh scent, speaks volumes about your attention to detail. It's these little things that can make a big impression. Remember, it's not about looking like someone straight out of a fashion magazine. Just be the best version of yourself. A clean, polished look not only catches the eye, but also shows that you respect yourself and the person you're hoping to attract. So, dress in a way that feels authentic to you, and let your wardrobe be an extension of your unique charm and character. 6. Be yourself. At the heart of any genuine connection lies authenticity. Being yourself is like offering a gift of honesty in the world of dating. But why is this so crucial? And how do you balance being authentic with the desire to impress? Let's take a closer look. When you're authentic, you're at ease, and this comfort is infectious. It tells her that you're comfortable in your own skin, and there's nothing more attractive than that. Pretending to be someone you're not is like building a house on a shaky foundation. Sooner or later, the true you will come out. And if it's vastly different from the persona you've presented, it could lead to disappointment on both sides. Trying too hard to impress can also backfire. It might come across as insincere or even desperate. Instead, share your true interests, speak about your experiences with honesty, and express your opinions respectfully. Remember, a genuine connection is a two-way street. It's about appreciating each other for who you truly are, not for a facade. So the next time you find yourself wanting to embellish a story or hide a quirk, pause and remember, authenticity is your strongest suit. It's the key to building a connection that's not just exciting, but also enduring. Be yourself. It's the best way to find someone who appreciates the real you. And now, for that special bonus tip I promised at the beginning. This one might surprise you, but it's incredibly effective. Embrace the power of humor. Yes, humor. It's a secret weapon in the art of attraction, especially in the dynamic of older men and younger women. But why is humor such a game changer? Let's unpack this. Humor breaks down barriers. It's a universal language that eases tension and creates a sense of shared joy. When you make her laugh or even just smile, you're creating a moment of connection that goes beyond age and superficial attraction. It shows that you don't take yourself too seriously and that you can find joy in everyday moments. But here's the key. It has to be genuine and natural. Forced jokes or trying too hard to be funny can be off-putting. Instead, find humor in real-life situations. Share amusing anecdotes from your experiences, and don't be afraid to laugh at yourself. This kind of lightheartedness is infectious and creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Remember, humor is not about being a comedian. It's about showing your lighter side and appreciating the joy in life. It's a subtle but powerful way to show that age is just a number, and what really matters is the ability to connect, share joy, and enjoy each other's company. So go ahead, embrace your humorous side, and watch the magic happen. Now that you know what to do when she smiles at you, what's next for you? Discover the physical traits younger women find irresistible, or learn the signs she likes you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.